Hello everyone, welcome back to the Top Cars TV. Today we are diving into one of the most extravagant luxury SUVs ever imagined, the 2026 Mansory Cullinan, a bold and unapologetic take on Rolls-Royce's already ultra-luxurious Cullinan, where Mansory pushes the limits of design, performance, and exclusivity to create something that truly stands out in a world of high-end vehicles. And if you're into cars that mix opulence with aggressive styling, this is definitely going to catch your attention. The exterior of the 2026 Mansory Cullinan is where things immediately get dramatic, featuring an extensive use of forged carbon fiber across the body, including the front grille, hood, bumper extensions, side skirts, and rear diffuser, giving the SUV a much more aggressive and sporty presence compared to the standard model, while the redesigned front fascia with larger air intakes and sharp LED daytime running lights creates a commanding road presence, complemented by massive multi-spoke alloy wheels, often 23 or even 24 inches, and a wide body kit that enhances its stance, making it look lower, wider, and far more performance-oriented. And of course, Mansory offers extensive customization options so buyers can choose unique color schemes, bespoke paint finishes, and even personalized trim details that make each Cullinan one of a kind. When it comes to performance, the Mansory Cullinan doesn't just rely on looks, as it significantly upgrades the already powerful twin-turbocharged V12 engine, pushing output to around 610 to 720 horsepower depending on the configuration, with torque figures that ensure effortless acceleration despite its massive size, allowing this luxury SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 4.5 seconds, which is astonishing for a vehicle in this class. And Mansory also fine-tunes the suspension and exhaust system to deliver a more dynamic driving experience while maintaining the smooth, floating ride quality that Rolls-Royce is famous for, so you get the best of both worlds, raw power and supreme comfort. One of the biggest unique selling points of the 2026 Mansory Cullinan is its exclusivity and craftsmanship, as Mansory transforms each vehicle into a bespoke masterpiece with handcrafted interiors featuring premium leather, carbon fiber accents, exotic wood trims, and even custom embroidery or logos tailored to the owner's preferences, along with features like starlight headliners, illuminated door panels, and fully customized rear seating configurations that elevate passenger comfort to a whole new level. And this level of personalization ensures that no two Mansory Cullinans are ever exactly alike, making it not just a car but a statement of individuality and status. In terms of safety features, the Mansory Cullinan retains and enhances the already advanced safety technologies from Rolls-Royce, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, night vision assist, a 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, and advanced driver assistance systems designed to provide maximum confidence on the road, along with robust structural engineering and high-end materials that ensure passenger safety without compromising on luxury. And while this SUV is more about comfort and prestige than aggressive driving, it still delivers top-tier safety performance expected in this segment. Talking about the price, the 2026 Mansory Cullinan sits at the very top of the luxury SUV market, with a base price significantly higher than the standard Rolls-Royce Cullinan, often starting well above $500,000 and easily climbing past $700,000 or more depending on the level of customization and bespoke options selected, making it a vehicle reserved for a very exclusive clientele who are willing to pay a premium for uniqueness, craftsmanship, and the Mansory name. In conclusion, the 2026 Mansory Cullinan is not just a luxury SUV, it's a bold expression of individuality, combining extreme design, enhanced performance, and unmatched customization into a single package that stands out even among the most elite vehicles in the world. And while it may not appeal to purists who prefer the understated elegance of the standard Cullinan, for those who want something louder, more aggressive, and truly unique, this Mansory creation delivers an unforgettable experience that perfectly blends luxury with extravagance.